What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I am talking fast, as you can tell, because I'm very excited. Este video va a ser en inglés y en español, espero y no les moleste. Fui a Walmart y encontré una muy buena luz y se las quiero mostrar, así es que si están interesados, por favor sigan mirando. I went to Walmart, guys, and I found a ring light and I'm very excited to show it to you guys because if you're a YouTuber or if you just want to have bomb pictures and you want to have better lighting for your makeup, right here, baby. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. So here we have the box. This was $20. Esta me salió a $20 y les muestro la caja. Es de la marca Bower. That's the brand, guys. And it is a 12-inch ring light. And it does come with the, I want to say like a tripod, I believe it's called. I could be wrong, but it does come with that thing that it holds your phone. I think it is a tripod. Let me get it. Yes, it is a tripod. And it does come with a remote control. And you can move it around. And it does have 3 different tones of the lights. And I'm very excited to show you. Esta tiene el palito para acomodar el teléfono. Tiene la luz. Y más aparte tiene el control para poder prenderlo y apagarlo. Y tiene 3 diferentes colores. Así es que vamos a abrirlo. Let's open it so you guys can see. Like I said, this was $20 and I literally bought this yesterday, which was Sunday. And I'm probably going to post this video Monday or Tuesday. So this is what comes in there first. So this is the box where the actual ring light comes in. Esta es la cajita donde viene la luz. Ok, viene así. Por mientras que se me cae todo. Ok. This is it. It is a smaller ring light. I do have a huge one behind this video and I will be comparing them both. So this is how it comes. This is the cable, USB. And then it also came with this little part to mount it on. And this is the control. Este es el control. And like always, siempre tiro algo. Esta es la partecita donde va el teléfono. This is for the phone, guys. And then the next box, porque trae otra cajita, viene hasta abajo. Viene esto. Y viene esta otra cajita. Si la puedo sacar. Un momento. Si sale esta partecita atrás, no se preocupen, es algo del calentón. Siempre salen todos mis videos. Una persona me preguntó qué era. But that's what it is. If you see this little thing here, guys, it's because of the heater in the room. We live in an older house, so that's why that's there. So I believe that this is the tripod. Creo que este es el tripié. Vamos a ver. Ah, sí. Viene muy pesado. Muy bien, muy bien. Se ve muy bien. Se siente bien pesado. Eso habla muy bien de esto. Va a ser buena calidad. It is heavy, which is a really good sign. It feels like it's really well made. So I'm going to turn it. And here we go. It does have different levels. Obviously, you can make it longer. I will show you guys in a bit how it looks all set up and stuff. But it does get really long. I believe it goes up to 62 inches. It's pretty long to me. So let me go ahead and set it up and I will show it to you guys. So I do want to show you guys the different levels there is to this light. I am standing right in front of it. You are mounted on the part where the phone goes. The little control did come with a battery, so I literally just turned it on with this. It does work. Este sí funciona, trae la batería. Así es que si quieres grabar un video o quieres tomarte una foto, con esto es más que suficiente. No te tienes que estar parando y acomodando el teléfono. Ayuda bastante esto. Ahorita no están viendo nada de luz. Solamente tengo la luz de mi cuarto, lo cual no está muy fuerte. Pero les voy a enseñar cómo funcionan los colores. Ahora lo voy a prender. I'm going to turn it on, guys. Y este es el más alto. This is the highest setting. I believe this is the white light. Lo voy a bajar todo. I'm going to turn it all the way down so you can see. So this is the lowest setting. Esto es lo más bajito que da de la luz blanca. Y entre más le voy presionando, más alta se hace la luz. The more I start clicking it, you can hear clicking. The light gets lighter and lighter. And this is the lightest. And it's a really, really pretty white. This is the yellow light, which I'm really happy that this came in here because sometimes you just don't want to use white light or the natural lighting. You want like a yellow based, and ese es el color más fuerte del amarillo o del color cálido. Le voy a bajar todo. I'm going to turn it all the way down so you can see. So this is the lowest one, and obviously I'm going to keep clicking it and it's going to get higher and higher. Voy a seguir presionándolo y se va a hacer la luz más fuerte. Y como pueden ver, se ve muy bonita esta luz. Y la última va a ser natural lighting, que viene siendo esta. Muy bonito tono, me gusta mucho esta luz. Esta es la que uso regularmente porque no me gusta usar muchísima luz en mis videos. This is the natural light, guys. This is the highest setting, and I'm going to start dimming it. Y como pueden ver, eso es casi sin nada, es nada más el número 1. Ahora voy a seguir subiéndole. Like, you can see the different levels as it goes up. It's kind of crazy. Pueden ver los niveles de la luz. Entre más alto se va viendo mejor. And this is the highest. I am really impressed for a $20 light. Like, it looks really good. So my overall thoughts to this light, guys, I highly recommend it. $20, you can't really go wrong. And then you saw the quality of the light. It's really, really good. It's something really compact. So if you want to travel with it, I'm pretty sure you could take it anywhere you want to. I really recommend this. Today is the 16th of November. I bought this on the 15th of November. So I bought it on Sunday. Today is Monday when I am filming this video. And I'm pretty sure if you go to Walmart, you can find it. Yo compré esta luz el 15 de noviembre. Hoy es el 16, que es un lunes. Así es que si estás viendo hoy esto, o quizás mañana, casi estoy segura que puedes ir a encontrar esta luz. Si no sabes qué hacer con una luz así, puedes hacer varias cosas. Si te quieres maquillar y ocupas una luz, puedes usar una de estas. Si quieres grabarte, no tiene que ser videos necesariamente que quieras subir a las redes sociales. Si quieres grabarte cantando, llorando, bailando, no sé, una luz así ayuda para que tus videos salgan mucho mejor. Y más aparte, si quieres sacar mejores fotos o mejores videos de lo que tú quieras, una luz así ayuda bastante. So yeah, guys, I really recommend it. I'm going to show you the box one more time, just in case if anybody is interested. This is the box. That is the brand. That is the inches. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is something different. I don't think I reviewed something like this on my channel. I hope you guys like it. Espero y les haya gustado. Nos vemos en el próximo video, chicos. Cuídense mucho. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Live open, vividly, and endless. I swear to God.